Dear students, have a good day and I hope that you will be fine and glad. Today I am going to start your new subject, Science, and chapter number 4, that is heat. What is heat? You know very well, but you cannot define in words. That's why it is a matter of feeling. Heat cannot be seen by us or we people. We can feel the heat by touching the substance. हीट को हम छूकर महसूस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम इसे देख नहीं सकते. We can feel the heat by the touching the substance. Its temperature increases and it becomes hotter. जब चीज़ें ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाती हैं तो हम इसको छूकर बता सकते हैं कि फला चीज़ गर्म है. There are two temperatures. Number 1 hot और number 2 cold. Hot हम उसे कहते हैं when heat gets increased. जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है तो हम कहते हैं कि फला चीज़ हॉट है. एंड सेकेंड इज कोल्ड व्हेन हीट गेट्स रिमूव्ड. जब टेम्परेचर डाउन हो जाता है या कम हो जाता है तो हम कहते हैं कि फला चीज़ ठंडी है. बट इन बोथ यू विल फाइंड टेम्परेचर. इफ यू मेजर बाय a device, whatever I will discuss further, then you will find the cold is also a sign of temperature, but in less quantity. Sometimes, however, our sense of touch is not reliable in telling us whether an object is really hot or cold. कभी कभी हमारा सेंस ऑफ ऑर्गन्स जो होते हैं वो किसी चीज़ को छूने पर ये नहीं बता सकते कि फला चीज़ ठंडी है या गर्म है. ये रिलायबल मेजर ऑफ द हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट is its temperature. A reliable measure of the hotness or coldness. सबसे विश्वसनीय तरीका किसी गर्म चीज़ को या किसी ठंडी चीज़ को नापने का उसका तापमान है. The temperature of an object is measured by using a device called thermometer. और इस टेम्परेचर को नापने के लिए एक डिवाइस बनी है जिसको हम थर्मामीटर कहते हैं. There are two types of thermometer. Number 1 clinical thermometer and number 2 laboratory thermometer. I am going to show the thermometer, but after some time. First off, we will describe about clinical thermometer. The temperature of an object is the degree of hotness or coldness of the object is measured by a device by putting in mouth or in armpit through a doctor or through a competent person. That is called clinical thermometer. And when we measure the temperature of climate by using a device that is called a laboratory thermometer. Both are having same qualities, same properties, and also manufactured by the same element, but the use of different with each other. So student, I will describe in next class about clinical and laboratory thermometer. Thank you.